So I just keep this running while I check some stuff. Okay, does the music work? That's loud as hell. Music is playing. Now I need to check Twitch. Rate's bad on that because I'm streaming at a poor bit rate again. Why do I keep doing this? It doesn't matter, it's good for YouTube. Okay, so then I can go over to... Oh cool, I'm at 76 now. When did that happen? Alright, I think everything is working, so now I need to test some audio. I'm not hearing any audio. Okay. Okay, let me turn down the music a little bit. Where's my music? There we go. Okay, let me get some water real quick. Alright, gamers. Oh. Oops. Okay. Should be good. Now I can keep coding. So let's get rid of that. Oh, that's right. I need to keep Streamlabs up when I do this, otherwise I won't see both chats. Where is it? There it is. Multi-stream. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I need to, so there's one square in every Tetramino that has a position that is recognized as being in the grid. I need to highlight every position in the grid that is nearest to the next squares in the Tetramino. What I'm thinking I can do that's annoying, but let's do that. Interesting. Wait, what does that mean then? Interesting. This is actually how do I want to do this? So I need to check all of the positions around the piece. Right? If I check all the positions around the piece. My mic might be too loud. So I would be able to check if there's an object around each piece. I guess. Oh, my phone's dying. Okay, let me think. If I want to be able to catch every single piece that is connected to the tetramino, and then highlight its related grid section as being selected, then I want to change my isPlaced function to demonstrate that I'm going to get every single child that position. Alright, so if child that position, so I'm going through every single child in the transform. So this is basically that's a bad idea. Oh wait, no, it's current block. Transform. Alright, so this will get us all of the smaller blocks that make up the tetramino. Then we're going to get the child positions, and then we're going to say if the child's position is close to I want to check for that. Curious, how big is the I block? One, two, three, 4, 5. I mean, the I block is 5 blocks tall. Ooh. If child deposition. What do I want to do there? Because the position is never going to be 100% accurate. But I want to use a collider for every single Tetris piece. I don't want to have to detect a collision. If child deposition. Can I do Boolean operations on vectors? I don't remember if I've done this before. Oh yeah, I definitely can't do that. But that's fine, because all I really care about is the Z position. So if this position... Alright, here's what I'll do. Okay, so this has to consist of a series of checks. The checks are going to need to be starting from the starting point. We need to check if right, and then once we've checked if right, we have to check if left. If either of these return true, then we check is up and is down. I don't know why I did that in reverse order. If either of these return true, then we check up and down to see if those are true. And then if neither of these return true, then we check up and down, see if those are true. If one of those is true, we check left and right. I don't know. That's not gonna work. It's a weird if conditional there, and I'm not sure how to do about that. Maybe there's a different way I can do this. Because what I really want this to do is to look for, like, try to move to an unoccupied grid cell. Yeah, that's what I'll try to do. Let's try for the move block method. If the current cell plus the move unit is greater than 0 and current cell plus the move unit is less than the grid length. So if we're within the bounds of our array, let's do this. Find open cell. So this is going to find a cell in the grid that is open. So it's going to check for since I don't really have a way to keep track of what level I'm on. I'm using a one-dimensional array. Let's see. If I were to find an open cell, that wouldn't work. It wouldn't work for me to grab every single array position, check if there's a 1, and update any 0 positions. So maybe there's a better way. I don't think there is. The best way to handle this kind of movement is via grid. So, like, ideally, it would be able to land here. So I guess I need to check to see if there is a way for me to know if a collider has hit. That's not it. That's not it. Did I close the one tab? No, I didn't. I just didn't open it because I'm stupid. Okay, let's see if I can Google, let's do, what do I need to search? I need to find Unity, collide, no, Unity check if collider is near. Ooh. Let's see. I used a sweep test on my rigid body. I used distance and direction of my teleport location and used it as the ray to send out the spell raycast hit. If I do that, though, then I don't get the collision of any of my... Oh, wait, that's not gonna work. God damn, my nose is messed up. Okay, let's try. Now, in order to find an open cell, I need to fill up all cells in the Tetris board. So filled grid, so we fill the current cell, set it to equal to 1. Now let's see if I can update the gizmo thing. Theoretically, I should be able to loop through that's the debug grid. Can I draw the cube with a different color? Is there... So we're gonna do... Let's do this. If filled grid at x is equal to 1, then gizmos dot draw cube in the debug grid, and then draw it at x because that's the position that is filled in the filled grid array. And then we're gonna do... Come on, you have to have a way to change the color. Really? Hold on. I'm in draw mesh. Really? Okay, hold on a second. Unity, gizmos, draw, cube, change color. Interesting. Does it change all gizmo colors? Because I don't want to do that. I only want to change a couple. How do I change only one gizmo? Okay, I guess I'll just do this. We're just gonna draw another cube on top of it. But before we draw the cube, we set the color equal to green. What? Color dot green. What's your problem here? Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. Okay, now what's your problem? Oh, apologies. Okay, so then after that, honestly, let's just put this at the top instead of after the, no, let's not do that. It needs to be right after the if statement, we set it back. We spell gray. Oh, color dot gray. Now, what is your problem? Oh, I see. I got it backwards. Now, what's your problem? There. So now, everything should be 0, so it should still all be gray. What's your problem, pal? Come on, buddy. Fuck it. It'll probably fix itself when I run it, right? It did, actually. Okay. I saw everything flash green for a second. What did I do wrong here? If the filled grid at X is equal to 1. All of them should be equal to 0 in initialization. So what should happen is it will skip over this every time. But you know what's happening. Okay. So I need to do if filled grid at X is equal to 0, draw that. So now this should skip over it and won't let it overwrite, I think. not seeing much, Oh, what the hell? Oh, I see. This only goes through the width. I forgot about that. Let's do that. And you can write the eye there. And here, we're actually going to check our eyes. This will probably be bad. Now this needs to stay as X. I think. Okay, something's happening here. How is that happening? Okay, hold on a second. So fill gridded eyes. So let's check the X for this one. Okay, so that's... Okay, so the eye was working before. The hell? Oh. There we go. So the eye was working before, so that means that this is excluding and including the way that it needs to. Can I just do that? I don't think it would draw correctly though. Or maybe it will. I don't know. Alright, it is working. That is interesting. Okay, that's the piece that I expected it to do. That's not the piece that I expected it to do. That makes sense. Oh my god, I don't have stream avatars on. What do you mean there's an update for stream avatars? I don't think I have my... Does this work? Yeah, it does. I need to change chat to be back to a visible color. There we go. looks good. Let me change the title at the top. Is A Sprite done actually? Yeah, or not A Sprite, you know what I meant. You know what I was saying. Don't you look at me like a fool. You're the fool. Foolish fool. Okay, that's connecting. Nice. Where is the title? I know that there's a title here somewhere. There it is. Look behind you. There we go. Can I set up a GIF on Streamlabs? Hold on, I'm taking a little sidetrack adventure here. How to show GIFs on Streamlabs. No, I probably should have just checked. I didn't need to Google that. Media file. Image media file. It's probably media file. Yeah. Add a new source. Funny GIF. Okay, frog getting pet GIF. Oh, what? Okay, hold on. Probably on tenor. Tenor. Oh, wait, no, frog twerk is what I'm thinking of. You know. How do I download this? Setting this to video clips. Yep, frog dance. And then we're just gonna open up Streamlabs real quick. Oh yeah, loop that. And then I need to pull that down. Come on, where is it? I see, okay. Should be above background. How's that look? I actually think I might want it above that. Yeah, let's just put it at the top. Oh my nose, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see. Rat dance. And then one more. Duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, of course you can't. Of course you can't. You never can. Because Streamlabs would make a good feature. Nah, hold on a second. Having two of these is gonna be funny as hell. Why am I? Why am I doing this? And then this one will be. I see. I accidentally changed all of them. Rename. Frog dance. Okay, let's delete that one. Let's add a new one. And this one isn't frog dance, it's rat dance. Where did you go? There you go. Where did you go? Oh, it's not set to loop, that's why. Let's see. Why am I doing this? Fuck it. I don't even care. How do I... Let me move the chat up, I think. Yeah, chat should be higher up than this. And then I can just move chat over to the... be inside the rat. There we go. You guys are stuck inside the rat now. Alright, rat acquired. That was an important usage of my time. Alright, let's see. So it highlights 1 point green. I want to highlight an extra point to be green. How do I want to do that? This rat looks fucking terrible. Hold on, wait. I have a better. I have such a good idea. Hold on. I know that I should be coding, but hear me out. This would be so funny if I were to just do this, right? This. Hear me out. I promise I'm not done. I need to pull this down underneath stream animations, but above background. It's an above background. Okay, hold on a second. Let's leave the panel there. Where is this? Oh, it's the stream window, I see. Now, hold on. We're restructuring right now. Display capture. Where is it? Okay, hold on a second. We're cooking. And stream avatars we can make bigger. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ, I hate screwing up so much. There's no way for me to show off the rat properly. Unless I do this. There we go. There we go. This looks so fucking stupid. Okay. Now I can actually code. So we've got the debug set up. The next thing I need to do is when an object is placed, check every child. Okay, so for each child, no, sorry, forgot about that. For each transform called child in current block dot transform. So we're gonna grab every child object. I'm gonna check if the child.transform.position. I don't need to do that. It's already a transform. So we're just gonna do child.position. .z. I want to do that. Is less than or equal to grid. At current cell plus 1 dot z. Then do filled grid at current cell plus 1 equals 1. Let's see what happens when I do this. Because, like, I can't keep avoiding doing it because I think it's not going to work. I have to at least see the results. It might give me an idea of what I actually need to do. Can I fucking move? Jesus Christ. Okay. So, let's think of it like this. I think that a solid way to do this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm thinking is we could do, that's one block type, and then another block type is, yeah, hold on a second. So instead of those, and then we have one for, actually, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna do this. 4, 5. It would be much easier for me to just check the type of block and then highlight all of its points, but I can't do that because it's going to be rotated. That's right. Fuck. This has to be done dynamically. Hold on, I've got an idea. Unity is position in collider. Okay, so let's try that. Maybe. So let's get rid of this. And then we're going to do, let's see. Let's do, no, that's not. The best way for me to do this is to loop through every child and attach the nearest grid, like turn the nearest grid to on. Let's do that. Let's try int array cells to turn. At most, it can be 5, I think. In fact, let's not even do this. Let's do array list. Cells to turn equals new array list of integers. What is your problem? No, just do this. Oh. Oh, fuck. What was the thing? Alt Shift S? Nope. Nope. Control S? Nope. Control Shift Alt S? Nope. Control Alt S. Control S. I don't remember how to get rid of this fucking thing. Thank God. Actually, you know what? Hold on. It's bothering me. I don't like how little of the screen I can see on stream. And then I can just do a little bit for the chat box. Much better. Okay, let's see. What was I doing? For each child in the list of transforms within the current block. Whoops. What do we do? For each child, take its position. So, fuck, what do I do? I literally just remembered what I was supposed to do. And now it's gone. Because I got distracted. For the millionth time. Let me get another tissue. What is up, my cranky crew? no ideas. In my time, on my adventure, my little escapade, I've discovered nothing. No news, no information, nothing to benefit mankind. But what I do have is a tissue. So, if I'm going to check if all of the blocks in a thing are placed, I need to get the positions that are closest to the thing. So fuck it. I'm just going to do this. I have an array list of cells to run, cells to turn. Now I just need to don't do that. Don't do that. So now I just need to do for each child in the transform, or so for every child in the Tetramino, we're going to grab its position. Child.position .z. And you know what? This isn't my job. It doesn't have to be efficient. I'm going to go through every single goddamn index in the array every time it's placed. And I won't be stopped for each int in what is it? Grid. It's actually positions, I think. Yeah, for each transform in grid. Is it transforms that are stored in grid? No, they're vector 3s. Which is only a little bit different. So for each vector 3 inside of grid, we're going to check to see if the child's position at Z, I need to change the chat color before I forget. Okay. We need to change the child's position at Z into, so we need to compare the child's position at Z to the position in the grid. Now I need to just do a quick check to see what the smallest option is. Oh, this is actually easy. Initially we need to add dot add, and then we're gonna do just give me the right index. Fuck it. We're just gonna make this an array of indices, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, then we add the current cell, and then we go into here. So I need to check to see what. I know for every position in the grid, we need to compare the child's position child.position.z, compare that to the vector position.z. Ooh, Oh. I'm thinking. My brain is activating, and it doesn't make sense. I don't know what to do. I don't understand. How did I write myself into this corner? Let's see. So for every child in the current block, what do I compare its position to? What do I want to find out? I want to find out if it is... How do I compare how close two vectors are? The dot product? Is that what it was? How to find out how close two vectors are to each other. Alright, is the dot product the distance between two vectors? Unity distance between two vector threes. Huh, okay. If vector 3 dot distance position, and then we're going to do child dot position. What is your problem here? What is your problem, pal? Oh, yeah. If that distance is less than 1, less than or equal to 1. It's just an arbitrary number because I don't actually know what kind of distance I should expect. Okay, so now we've got the position. Now can I do filled grid at array dot index of. I'm going to do grid and then the object value of position. And then we're going to set that equal to 1. And what does that do for me? Something really weird. Wait, it's making the correct shape, it's just not in the right spot. How about this? The gray is making it really hard for me to see what's happening. So I'll just go up and I'll comment the gray out for a little bit. This should make it so that it'll just populate the green parts. Okay, so it did that. And it did it in the wrong spot. It's so weird. And it only does it on the second one. Why only on the second one? Like, it starts populating the rest of them only on the second one. I see. Okay. Okay, let's do that and see what that changes. I don't think that's going to change a huge thing, but I want to see if it does something different. Alright, that's not even the right shape. I don't even know what you're getting stuck on right now. What is happening? Alright, it's just doing whatever it wants. Okay, so the distance between... So if I just make the distance smaller, what'll happen? So this should never be true, because this distance is probably too small. Wait, what's going on here? Only filled up one. What are the chances that any of these are in the exact same position? Like, I find it unlikely that I could do that. I can try it. Alright. At the very least, this should be generating several positions. Okay, let's do this. Let's just do some tests. Let's do debug.log. Cube position is equal to, what was it? Child.position. Let's see. And then here, nearest grid position is what I'll do. Nearest grid position. And that's going to be set to position. Let's see what that does. What the hell is the index out of rounds? What is your issue? Bro, I don't care. Just set it to X. Really? X is out of the index too? Okay. Sure. It does not matter, man. Not even using the if statement. How? What is your issue? What? Oh my god. It'll go away when it starts, right? The array just isn't filled right now. I legitimately cannot test this. And somehow something... What? What? No, hold on. That doesn't even make any sense. How did the... I didn't change anything that should affect that. What is happening? I didn't change anything that should have affected that. Because the spawn new block was the issue there. My only real change was making the debugs. Unless I just didn't check to see what happens when it got to the top. Alright, I'm gonna check this and then be right back. What the fuck happened? Quite literally did not change anything significant in any way. Oh, that's what it is. I commented that out. Yeah, that would be an issue. I did change something significant in several ways. All right, I'm back. Was my music not working? It's working. I'm back. This can go. Okay. What was I doing? What do I need to do? Who am I? Where am I? My audio bitrate is low? Bro, why wouldn't they tell me that? Like before. Why don't they give me a warning beforehand? Okay, so I need to get a lot. Oh, that's right. What I want to do is I want to be able to read the fucking thing. This goddamn error keeps showing up. Is there a way for me to show... I do not care. I just want it ignored for a little bit. Uh... Where's Chrome? This is what I was using. Unity, how to pause error messages. Ugh. Okay, I guess I just have to fix this stupid ass bug. Specifically getting a what? No reference object not set to an instance of an object. Okay. Okay, let's just do this. Debug matrix. It's basically a matrix. That counts. So now I go into here. And then the thing that I use to populate the filled grid is what I need to put into there. Yeah, that's probably fine. I just copy. Honestly, I could just do this. Yeah, let's do that. Debug matrix equals a new vector, no, equals a new integer array with a size of board width times board height. And then here, I'm going to check this. I hate you. Ooh, I hate your ass. Okay, here I'm going to do... What was I going to do? I needed to increment... No, I needed to set it. That's what it is. Debug matrix at I. It is set it equal to 0. Does that fix the fucking bug? It's initialized now. I hate you. Does it at least fix it during runtime? Of course not. I hate you. You're such a bitch. You're such a little bitch baby. Ugh. I just want to debug it. Why do you have to be a bitch? Oh, very glib. Let's see. What can I do to fix that? Fuck it. Let me see if this is an issue other people have when they're debugging. On draw gizmos giving no reference all the time. Oh, I can do that? I didn't know that. Okay. Okay, so now if I run it, I hate you. Oh, I need to do this in... I don't... Do I? I don't know. What does that do? Good lord, man. Oh. Alright, how do I want to handle this then? I'm uncertain. Wait. Oh, my nostrils. Okay. Audio probably fine. Won't worry about it. Release me. Okay, let's stop stressing about this then. The distance is less than 1. What happens? So if I make it check the distance between the child block and the grid position being less than 1, then theoretically that'll mean that it places it... Okay. Let's do filled grid. And let's make sure... Let me just do this, actually. Where am I? Nope, go back down. That's gonna break the thing again. And then up here on our gizmo check, we're going to do what? Yes, we're gonna draw the cube at that position. All right. I think I can do this. I just need to get it to procedurally pick out every single block. That's not right. That's not what that's supposed to be. Let's try this again. Let's avoid those no reference errors. We're not going to worry about that. Okay. It believes it somehow has deluded itself into believing that the point of contact, the first point of contact, is right here, which does not make sense. So what is making it instantiate at a position, like it creates the gizmo at the wrong coordinate? Which makes me think that, hold on, actually I have a theory. Is it breaking because it's moving so much? Because it could be getting placed and then moving afterwards. That is the only... Oh! No. What is happening? What the fuck is happening? Huh. This block touches. Why would that happen? And why the fuck is my nostril so goddamn clogged? I'm going to explode if this shit keeps happening to me. Hold on, I'm gonna purge my nostrils real quick. Alright, I purged my nostrils. Alright. Come on. Come on, I just need wisdom. I just need wisdom to enter my atoms. I can feel it. The knowledge, it's permeating through my skin. I know what I must do. Where's Google? Nah. Ugh. Here's what I'll do. Here's the plan, buckos. Here. If filled grid at I is equal to 1. Filled grid at I is turned on. That's so weird. if filled grid at I. So that means, so currently I'm looping through every single, I'm looping through every single position in the array. If any of those positions in the array is set to 1, then we're good. Let me check this. Instead of getting the current cell, array dot index of, and then we're going to get the grid array at the position of current block dot position. Oh, sorry. Transform that position. Then, if I do that, interesting. Okay. Alright, so current cell is decided upon when you spawn a block. When you spawn a block, it says that the current cell is a random number between 0 and the board width. How the fuck does this work? What? 0 and the board width. So that means that it decides on a position within the current row. And then everything else, it just checks collisions. Which I think is the correct format to do, considering I want the player to be running between them. I needed to be checking collisions. So basing everything off of those collisions shouldn't be an issue. So that means that I need to do... If I somehow get it to recognize the points in the grid that aren't filled, I can make it move. Oh, it's such ass. Alright, let's think. Well, let's assume that in our grid, this block is currently filled in. Right? Let's assume that that's filled in. If it is filled in, and the next block is, let's say, an L block, let's say that that's what we have, right? Then okay, so let's make it more simplistic. Let's say that it should always move to the lowest possible position. Right? Oh, no. Fuck it, man. I'm just gonna keep it random. What's the worst that'll happen? Yeah, fuck it. I think I'd rather just work on the first person part of this. What the hell is your problem? What? Is that it? That was it. Okay. Okay. I'm commenting out the fucking video. I'm so tired of the Gizmos shit. Jesus Christ. Jiminy Cricket. There, no more errors. So now, I need to get a first-person controller in. Ooh, oh my god, oh, ew, gross. It was so cool before. Okay. I'm pretty sure that there's a controller built into Unity, but it's ass, if I remember correctly, so I'm not going to use it. Let's name this capsule the player. And where the fuck are you going? And then pull you out, and then put you down. And then let's scale you down a bit. 0.46. Nope, 0.46. Let's give you a rigid body so that you can have gravity. Let's freeze your rotations apart from Y. Okay, now let's add a tag for player. Save this, let's go into VS Code and then say that when the Tetramino collides, if collision dot game object dot compare tag was hit by player, or you have hit player, then debug dot log you lose. Should be a just quick check to make sure that just to make sure that if it is hitting a player specifically, yeah, that was, you just fucking ate him. Oh my god. Alright, good. So I could also do this so that I could just take, where is it? Should be in my update. Yeah, I should be able to take this, grab you. How's that work? Nice. So now if you get hit by it, you lose. And now he's already sealed away. Okay. So let me go into my scripts and create a player controller. Come on now, you can do this. I have a first-person controller script somewhere in a game that I made. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. Hold on. It should be when I made that for that game jam with the camera. What the fuck was it called? Technicolor. Let's see. Assets, scripts, and then input manager, player controller. That's definitely what it was. Let's see. How did I handle my actual? Oh my God! Did I? Ew! Oh my goodness gracious! Oh, gross! I use the input manager. Do I have to use the input manager? I'm not using the input manager. I fucking hate the input manager. I'm so goddamn tired of always having to use the motherfucking input manager. I don't like it. I'm tired of it. I'm gonna code it myself. I'm gonna do it myself. You can't stop me. I'm gonna do if input dot get. Wait. Wait, I need to get the mouse movement. Wait, the camera isn't even attached to him. There isn't even a camera in this scene. Okay. Let's take a step back real quick. Attach the camera. Let's go ahead and move it down. I see. Move you up. Move you through here. Let's put you here. Up. And then down a little bit. And then let's make sure it's lined up. It is. Okay. Let's make you a child of that. Now, I'm going to do public camera cam. And then we're going to do void move camera. And then we're going to say that cam dot. How does it work? The mouse position. Ooh. How does it work? I might have to Google that one. I don't remember how that one works specifically. Let's see. Camera, Unity, make camera follow mouse. I don't want to use Cinemachine. Don't you tell me to use Cinemachine. Oh, duh. That's okay. Wait.